theme that will provide you a wholesale store inbuilt without using any app or Shopify Plus plan. As you know that the Shopify Plus plan will cost you around 2000 US dollar per month, and the app will charge you recurring. So this theme will help you to create the wholesale store in which you can show your product to visitor but without the product pricing and add to cart. The add to cart and product pricing will work only for the approved customers that you can approve from the Shopify store or from the email that you will receive. So let me show you the working. So this is the theme that I created for the wholesale. So you can create the B2B store. This theme also have quick order form for the collection, and it also contain sign up form, so you can have the option to approve manual or you can create a automatic approval. In automatic approval, the customer will fill the details, and when they click on submit, he will be assigned as a customer. But in the manual approval, you need to approve the customer from the backend by creating the account. This is the working, and this theme also come with the minimum order. So let me show you the working. So if I click on sign in and click on shop, now as a customer I can view the product pricing as well the product. And if I click on the quick order form, I can see the quick order form as well. And if I add the product into the quick order form, from the quick order form, this is the minimum order that will be visible. So customer need to purchase more than the minimum set by you on the theme. For this you don't need any app, any Shopify Plus plan. You just need to purchase the Shopify basic plan and install this theme. I shared the link in the description as well in the comment section so that you can purchase the theme. And if I log out as a customer, I can view the product. It will also include the quick inquiry form. So if some customer want to inquiry, they can just fill the form and click on send. You will receive all the details on your email address that is associated with Shopify. I shared the link in the comment section as well in the description that will help you to purchase this theme. Thank you.